Congratulations on the purchase of your new Quick Lock head from DR. I'm going to show you how to remove the line plates and install the new head assembly. So stick with me. Safety is always number one. Always remove the spark plug wire from the spark plug when working on your DR machine. The first thing you want to do is take a Phillips head screwdriver and insert it into the hole in the anti-wrap can. Then twist the mobile counterclockwise and the line plates are all going to come off. Then you're going to take your spacer, slide it up on the shaft, then take this adapter, which was in the package, and you want to insert it into the lock-in head. The writing on it, the Quick Lock head always faces the ground. Take the Quick Lock head, slide it on the shaft. Now take the mobile that came off with the line plates, use the same bolt, and start threading it up on the shaft. And it'll tighten up. There you go, folks. That's all it took. Remove the screwdriver, and it's installed. You will notice that there are two different sizes of holes, large ones and small ones. Take your cord and insert it into the large hole. And as you do, you will see that the cord comes out on the other side. You want to stop it when you have about 1/2 inch of cord sticking out. You need to insert cord into every large hole for this to work properly. If you do not, you're going to experience some vibration which could damage your machine or the head assembly. When you're done, that's what the trimmer head's going to look like with the cord installed. If you push the cords too far through, when the head turns and grabs a piece of grass or whatever you're cutting, you'll pull it right out. So the trick is just push it in a little bit so you have about 1/2 inch of cord sticking out. See, this holds it in. It's not going to come out. If you ever want to take the cord out and change it, you always have a little spot here. You just pull it. Comes right out. Very easy. If you have any questions, call the tech department.